Stop scrolling and listen, because maybe this story is for you, for the one who is tired, for the one who is about to give up. Hi everyone, this is Mantasha Khan, founder of Kalb India, and today I want to share something with you that I've been carrying in my heart for a very long time. This is not just a business story. This is a story of faith, patience, and trusting Allah when nothing makes sense. For the longest time, my business was just hope and dua. Every month, I would sit in front of Allah and cry, asking for just one order, just one sign that I should not give up. I was working, I was trying, but nothing seemed to move. Days turned into months, and slowly my heart started getting tired. And then one ordinary day, I made something very simple. An Ayatul Kursi fridge magnet. Not for selling, not for content, just for my home. I recorded it without any plan, I posted it without any expectations, and I left the rest to Allah. That one small moment became the turning point of my life. The reel went viral. The same day, my first order came from India itself, order worth around 30k. A few hours later, another order came from London, order worth around 20k. I remember sitting there in silence with tears in my eyes thinking, Ya Allah, this is you. Because this had never happened to me before. I used to cry for one order in a month, and now Allah sent me more than I could imagine in a single day. That one Ayatul Kursi magnet became the beginning of everything. Orders kept coming, again and again and again. That's when I understood something deeper. This wasn't just the power of Ayatul Kursi alone. This was the power of trusting Allah when nothing made sense. The power of sabr when results were invisible. The power of tawakkul when you have no backup plan except Him. Today, Alhamdulillah, I make around 200 magnets every single day. I'm booked for months, and I still have more than 5,000 pieces to make till October 2026. From begging Allah for one order a month to being booked for months, from almost quitting to watching Allah rewrite my story. I didn't become stronger because I stopped fearing. I became stronger because I learned to trust. I have seen barakah. I have seen how Allah opens doors you never even knew existed. And I have seen what happens when you put your plans in His hands. This is not just my business story. This is your reminder. When you feel like giving up, don't. Maybe that's your last test from Allah before He opens every door. I waited, I cried in front of Allah for 2 years, and when I almost walked away, He rewrote my entire story.